Ugly man time, ugly man time. Follow me up on Instagram, Barney Hustler. You see it, Instagram. People, quick and fast. You know say, a link is set me up on a girl. You see it? Me say alright. Me a go beat a girl. You see it? She like me and everything. But guess what? Uno never sex a girl pan her hungry belly. Uno try to make sure the girl belly full. People, oh God, it's terrible. You know what I say? Me and the girl in the hotel. And I start to sex the girl. Put on my condom and start to work. From me start to work, the girl are fat. Be a fat, be a fat, purr. I said, no dog. People, I be a fat. I make a cut mood out of the pussy. I pay a fat. Me never know the pussy could have fat. I pay a fat. Some thinking. Me say, people, me make sure I come out of the hotel before, right? You understand? Put on my clothes and everything. You see? Come here and say, John, no, she got my vibes. When I put on my clothes, the pump on my part. I say, no, sir. Pay fat. I say, there's some thinking. I say, when she come out of the hotel, I pay people and call them run. I had a look on her. She me say, pum bad. Girl, I say, how we going? The girl that tell me say, I've had 2 days straight she not eat. She hungry. I say, we never tell me that. Me say, people. Me say, alright. I left the hotel, me and I go straight to mother's. I say, I'm going to buy a hot cup of tea. You see it? I say, when the girl drink the cup of tea, I pay I pay people look on her in a mother's. I say, hello, she know, me I go outside. You see it? I try now, I don't want to eat no food. Just eat your food and me give her all our bus fare, I cut the fire. You see, me come here and say, Jesus please, make people look at me way in our place. Jesus. I say, yo, we don't want to say the guy full of gas. Me I tell you to be humble, it come like a gas me touch.